So this is a rather workmanlike lock set from Kwikset. It's not fancy. Some of the parts are thin. But at important points, it's solid. The metal here and here and here is solid. Nice spring action. Blind kind of turning a handle for inside. It doesn't have a lock on it. I shouldn't say blind. It's a lock. A lockless handle for inside, which comports with the upper deadbolt. Deadbolt is good quality. The inside scutcheon, I don't know what it's called. This piece that is the inside handle, but I'm talking about this piece, not this, is thin metal over a formed metal retainer. You know, it's just it's cheap. See here, it's not solid metal, but it looks okay. I'm for the price, this is a great lock set. For the price, it really is superb quality.